Hello, it's Dumplet here. Here is a refresher from geometry. The sum of the interior angles of a polygon with n sides is 1080 degrees. Find the value of n. Credits to the Metrobank Math Challenge of 2019 for this item. As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try. But if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now, we're not that familiar with polygons with the sum of interior angles being 1080 degrees. So let's try to see some common examples like the triangle and the quadrilateral. Now we know that a triangle has the sum of interior angles to be 180 degrees, and a quadrilateral, it has a sum of interior angles equal to 360 degrees. Now we can extend this thought, and for example, let's try to consider a polygon with 5 sides, which is a pentagon. So a triangle we have 3, quadrilateral we have 4, in a pentagon we have 5, and then we can try to draw a line to separate that pentagon into 2 parts. One is a triangle, as you can see here. So this part is a triangle, and this part is a quadrilateral. So I know that these 3 angles over here would add up to 180 degrees because I know that a triangle has a sum of interior angles which is 180 degrees. Now for a quadrilateral, I'll have 360 over here. So a total of 180 plus 360, and you can work out the maths, it's going to be 540 degrees for the interior angles of a pentagon. Now I can try to do some pattern finding. I'll take a look at the pattern. So from 180 it becomes 360, so I added 180, and then from 360 to 540 I'm going to add another 180, and in fact we can have a general formula here, 180 times n minus 2, where n is the number of sides. So for example, if n equals 3, then we're going to get 180. If n equals 4 for a quadrilateral, we're going to get 360. If n equals 5 for a pentagon, we're going to get 540, and so on. So we can try to use this into solving our item, because we can just simply solve for n, because what we can do is we're going to equate 180 times n minus 2. So do you remember this formula? This is very nice. Equate this to 1080. Now what we want to do is solve for n. So I guess the first step would be divide both sides by 180, because we want to cancel this part. So 180 here cancels. You can work out the maths here. 1080 divided by 18, that's going to give you 6. So we're going to have n minus 2, that's going to equal 6, and then we're going to simply solve for n. We're going to get that n equals 8. And this is our final answer. Hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!